What's up, guys? I'm back. It's been a while. Today I have someone new. This is my new friend Jay. And today I know all the noises in the background, but that's because we're at a we're at a dirt bike race. And so, yeah. And now we're just hanging around playing.
I still can't believe that that's making video.
I know. Yeah. I know there's a lot of noise. But it's just for you guys. It's all for you.
Too loud.
It's all for you guys. It's all,
Covering your ears.
it's all for you guys. Whew. Today's gonna be, we left it at dinner time, and now it's like, I don't know what time it is now, but it's late.
And we have 4 races left until we both leave.
We have 3.
No, 4.
We have 4 more races.
I think they forgot to count one on the way cut.
That's my new bike. That's his new bike. So, today, yeah, we're just watching the race. So, if you want to go and watch the races with me, come on. I'm going. I know it's a lot of noise, but I just do this for you guys. I do this for you.
Open the phone for a second. Warning to all headphone listeners. Turn down the volume.
No, you don't have to if you don't